and go reverse so that you will trade it from
Let's
the
go,
baseline.
baby. So,
And that is what I want to do now. I want to trade from the baseline.
okay.
So
We
I
live.
can
We
do
live.
max distance, let's say 240. So it should take trades now. Just wait a bit.
Alright, market slightly open 8:30. Got the other opening. Oh yes,
Okay.
alright. Let's see how this works.
Yeah, so I'm trying to do the reverse trading now. See what
I
works,
think
if it
so.
works or not. Probably we will see some drop.
There go. When does the race start?
Yeah, it's Friday, yeah. So
Oh yeah,
Friday start
baby.
with the training. But
Gotta do my rides.
I'm looking at Sky Formula One, so this channel is 24/7 Formula One. So
Wow.
if there is something that they can say then about Barcelona, they will say it.
This is amazing. So Charles was driving like a car, a Ferrari this weekend. It's like an old vintage car, and he crashed
Yeah,
it.
so it will be interesting because I think Ferrari has now new parts, so the car would be around 0.3, 0.4 seconds
Right.
faster. And Red Bull has now removed 7 kilos. So I'm really curious what will be the winning car now.
For me, it's whichever one this guy Max is driving. He'll find a way. He always does. He always does, man. Um, so now you just be riding it. So you're waiting for it to go up.
Mm-hmm.
So I've also started to look at the times sometimes, right?
Uh-huh.
And I noticed this thing definitely moves. Maybe not exactly, but close. Close to the time. Like maybe like 10:30, 8:30. Obviously we know 9:30. And then we have the 11:30, and I think there's another one at 1 something, sometimes at 12 as well.
Okay, so there's some news coming.
No, I just want to, it's just how it moves. Like, I just see it like make the big moves around that time.
Ah, yeah. Let's have a look at the news. Interesting.
8:30, there was just some news. Wow.
So, okay, today we have building permits, which was positive. Crude oil. Yeah, that at 10:30. For the rest, nothing going on. So 10:30.
Oh, we got a little downtrend. We got first entry. Hold back. Second entry. Going into the trend line, baby. Dum, da, da, dum, da, da, dum, dum, dum. Are you okay. Yeah, real quick, why you wanna join? I think if I play meditation, it's gonna get copyrighted. Sucks. Gonna meditate. Gotta mute you pagans. These back. We out
So
here.
we're still dropping.
Still dropping a bit, yeah.
So we are close to Fibonacci level at 385.
Okay. We got a couple, what, like 20 minutes to open?
But you can't go like that.
Lord knows I really got bored shooting like the Navy up. So clean. Absolutely amazing.
So let's have a look at the 1 hour chart.
Oh yeah. Let's go through.
So,
Lord knows I really, this is the daily.
oh, there is a level at 322, 327.
Okay. This trend looks, oh man, I don't know. Looks like they broke out of this uptrend and made a new high right there.
Uh-huh.
And now this is a new downtrend. So I see this right here. Probably not this. Who knows though?
At 235 there's some support, so could be a retest of that level.
Okay. Lord knows I really got bored shooting like the Navy.
Yeah, so on the daily you see the RSI is crossing the SMA, so it's in a kind of downtrend now.
Okay.
Yeah, we could see a down day today. Let's have a look at the daily. This was the so the daily. Well, the daily is in an uptrend.
Okay.
So you see up, down, up, down. So
Okay.
you could see at 327, maybe a bit higher, at 352 maybe. 352, that could be a support level.
Okay. 352. We are at 380. Yeah, they're gonna drop down there. 'Cause we got new high, first entry pullback, second entry. Fail. Still. And then he goes English. This is that funny. This dude named Biggs. Facts. No shortcuts. No shortcuts.
Right.
What's your target for today?
To stay in green, that's my target.
He said, that's it. You get that? And you're out of there. Say less.
Yeah, so my target for the day is have a nice dinner as well.
Got you. Okay.
I'm looking for a new recipe.
To make it the ultimate food maker.
In my Thermomix.
This guy.
I call it my Thermo Wonder.
You are like a chef. But have you seen Ratatouille?
Ratatouille?
Yeah.
What's it with it?
So it's a guy who makes friends with a rat, and the rat is an excellent chef. And so the guy puts the rat in his hat, and the rat is the cook. Little does everybody know, the Vitamix is your rat. You could make a restaurant with that thing like we were saying, and nobody will know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
He made fresh yogurt this morning. Come on, man. What is this? That's the Vitamix.
I'm expecting a drop till 290.
Okay.
Or maybe wait a moment. What's going on here? So 330. There is some support. Yeah, we could bounce off of 330 and go back higher.
Yeah, I have a little support line there.
So half an hour before the opening.
Yep. Let's wait on it.
It's time for coffee. I need to have an energized brain.
Right. So we here trading the Nasdaq, and it's time. Shout out to my boy Kiyoshi for the subscription.
Okay.
My boy. And my boy Life of P. Let's get it.
Okay, this is gonna sound a little nuts.
Damn
but
right.
Fast.
We here with the ski mask, Simone. All right, let's go.
So are you streaming, Tess, or
Yeah.
what's your?
Let me send to you. Let me send to you. Hold on. Hold on a second. Because I want to do it like this. Do.
Ah, here he is.
Oh yeah, man. Can you believe that? How I look right now?
Very good.
And let's see what we do with it, man. I think it is great. So I'm just sending it to some more peeps now. So for me, I didn't even expect to get any views. And I got, so far, 50 on my first one, 40 on my second one. And we'll see what happens today, but hey, I'll take it.
Yeah, why not?
Right? Just have to be careful with the copyrights.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't play music like that, huh?
Nope. Can you believe this? Like, come on. I'm I'm trying to do something here. Lord knows I really got bullets should light the Navy up. Okay, so movement is going on here.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime I hear that thing, something's getting moved. If only it told me the direction.
So, yeah, they're pushing up at the moment.
Okay, perfect. No, no, no. Okay. So what I have to do is I put you and my music in my headphone underneath the mask. So people gonna see me dancing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Mm, 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 mm. Brings me down. You got it. So it's alright. And I know, baby, just how you feel. Baby, how you feel? You say you don't know. I reckon you. I can oh, don't you see what I mean? Go ahead, jump. Why did I jump? Dun, 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 dun. Go ahead, jump. Don't worry, soon play some lo-fi beats for you, Juice. Jude the Camp. That's crazy. If they copyright my singing, this is crazy. One of my friends, somebody just said that. You should copyright your singing. Wouldn't be surprised with these guys. I can see your faces. Man, you're telling me you're about to make strawberry ice cream in what, 27 minutes? 23 minutes, I should say. Oh my God. Know when to walk, know when to run. The secret. Turn back towards the window, crushed out a cigarette. I'm sitting up. When the whole we still waiting here. What we got? 20 minutes? 20 minutes till market opens, baby. Let's go. I was trying to put the P&L here up, but can't seem to figure out how really. Let's see, this is, see if it does it show right here? What if I put it right below me? Could work, huh? Could work. Could work. Alright, let's see. I'll keep that right there. What if I click on this chart though? See, when I click on the chart, it goes away. So I gotta keep coming back here, click it. This is my message to you. Let's see. We could finagle this in here somewhere. Ah, love it, man. Come on, man. Love it. The thing is now, right? Alright, maybe that could work still. Ross, my lady, I call me right now. Not right now, my girl. Let's go. Thank you, Faith. Let's go. Little mush, little mush. Another sight. I'm a California Grizzly. Still getting chopped up. Now I'm at the top. Zoom out the map. Bitch, I'm shining. Man, Roby on the freaking the man Roby on the Jamaican now. It's man funny. Ever since my boy been chilling down here, the Jamaican, he got it. Go get that bag. Gotta call Benjamin right now. Hey, I think Dave is calling. All right, so maybe we switch over to that one. All right, so let's end this one. My daddy was a hustler, my mama was a G. Now you're listening to me. I was trying to chill. I was trying to then toast me. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Hey, man. Morning, morning. This guy is amazing. Like, where does 5 minutes it takes? And you just put in all this stuff. Everything in one. Oh, do you know what? While I'm doing this, let me send you this link as well. Okay. So, Dave, real quick, I just sent you the link for BlockFi. I'm sending you it on I think it's WhatsApp. All you have to do is click on there. Obviously I could do it on here with you when you want to do it too, but I just want to give you this. But just walking, even just giving you an overview, you really just sign up. You would basically purchase the Bitcoin on here. You have to connect your wallet, you know. You Let me see something. Profile settings, crypto address. Yeah, see, you could even. Do you have Cash App? Yeah. I think you could still do Coinbase. You can still do Coinbase and move it here, and then all you basically have to do is like, um, hold on, let me do a quick share screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, so this is the thing here. You sign up. I have one of them. This is what I sent you. What you're gonna have to do is go in here, um, and have you could basically go to fund, crypto transfer. You would choose Bitcoin, and then on your phone, or you could copy this address right here. What you would want to do is then buy it on Coinbase and then send it to this address. Or you, like I said, if you ever want to get Cash App is really easy. Like it literally, you could buy the Bitcoin too and send it in 2 seconds here. because you know what? I don't know exactly which one has the less fees. Um, let's see. Let's see. I kind of be looking this stuff up. So the main reason why I kind of did this. Okay, we have 7 minutes. Eleven for 11%. Mm-hmm. And see, they be saying all this stuff at a bank. You don't want to do this with your bank. That's why I tell people, don't put your bank account on this stuff. Put your crypto. People be talking about connect. Why would you connect yourself? I buy stuff, move it there, let it keep growing. And like you see, these are all the tabs here. You see the borrowing. So let's say you have Bitcoin in here, right? You have Bitcoin. It depends how much you have. Look, the minimum is 10. So you have to have over $10,000, obviously. But let's say you eventually you have Bitcoin and it goes all the way to what? Um 30,000 or something. You can now let them hold it, quote unquote, but then get off all 30,000 at the same time. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's really the gist of it. But like I said, whenever you wanna really do it, I'll do it with you too if you need me to. No problem, man. Let's go. 7 minutes. Let's get some ones. Wow. I wanna listen. Oh, my destination is on. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah, gotta show y'all the drip. You know what I'm saying? Get the drip. Get the drip though. That's that easy money drip, right? That's that easy money drip. Let's go. Come on. See what goes on now, fellas. Come on. He said, boom. It's gonna be a rocket. We here. They talking. I ain't listening. Don't be surprised. A lot of selling pressure, but not really going with much very, you know? Oh, you know what I forgot? Top step. Might not being up in the hands. Here we go. Still trying to sell it. And they keep rejecting it. That's a new low though of that down channel. They got one push. So we got first entry pullback, second entry. New low. first entry. And that's 2 legs down on the 5-minute chart or what? Two, 327. Let's go. Let me take the sun out of the okay. Pretty tame opening. Okay, we went to 350 to 396. They wicked off that. That's good. Okay, so I guess we have to get a new low of this channel. What about this high right here? What about this high right here? Yeah. Ain't nothing but iced up. How is the cloud looking, Rudd? Are you want to share that one? Are you able to share that one? I want to see that one. I'm telling you, man, that one is good. Going up. Mm, hello? Yo. Yo, that's what I was calling you for, what we talked about. But you texted me real quick, so it was like, all right. bro, but that's perfect then. So like I said, just let me know when you heading over there, and I'll be over there. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm on this stream right now, seeing what's good, my boy. You already know. So I'll call you again. Like I said, call me, all right? All right, brother. Let's go. Somebody's in the long here. Are you in the long? Are you in the long? You were in the long?
Was 570. I was 570 up, lucky, but it's not the thing that you want. Man.
From the strategy.
Yeah.
Huh.
This is it can't deal with Apex.
Would traders too fast for Apex?
Probably. Well, I am 570 up, but that was tricky business.
Yeah, I can't do that.
I don't trust it. I stop with it. This is not what I want.
Well, yeah, with Apex, it's not what you want.
No, it should be reliable, and it isn't.
Where is this thing going?
So I think it will go for 336 because I had a level.
Oh, yep, it just hit it and bounced right off.
This is the level at 330.
Literally just hit 336, bounced right up.
Yeah.
But I wonder if this is now a fail.
Probably that will be it. Probably will go higher.
Yeah, we have breaker trend new low now.
Because my indicators are really low at the moment.
Delta's dropping.
Yeah, the RSI is still not on the bottom here.
Yeah, this is value area low.
There's still room left to go lower. So if we go lower, then the next level will be 226. 226. That's 120 points from now. Lower.
I don't know, I just feel like this would have dropped a little faster. But it keeps getting support. Tweezer bottom. You said 226?
Yeah, 226. That could be the new low.
You think we're gonna go there? Come on. We got new high, first entry pullback, second entry. Yeah. So slow the dropping though. Maybe we're gonna go to reach this target right here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Take one and see what happens here. Of course. No support. One to the two to the three to the four. Big block is all about his on the fucking road. Yeah, turn it up.
Yeah, I think in the 5 minute I have a level at 212. So let's see where we go.
Yeah, we go back up now.
Order filled.
What is that? 340. Okay. Try to see if they would go to the other level at the 226. Came back up. Okay. Lord knows I really got bold shooting like the Navy up. They like, Glock, where you going? I'm going to get some paper. One to the two to the three to the four. Big Glock is all about his. Yep, turn it up. Alright, now let's see if we pull back to this EMA. Let's see if we pull back to this EMA. Alright. Okay, we got new high. First entry, pullback, second entry. Oh, I kind of missed that before. That's what I really should be getting in. Missed that tick above right there. They like, where you going? Yeah, I'm going to get some paper. Come on. Alright, let's watch this develop. We still in the cloud, Rod?
Let's have a look.
I feel like they fell out and then still going
So
back.
it's still below the clouds on both sides, so the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So
New high. Come on, make that new high. touch this. Let me see what you do. Let's see what you do. Come on. I don't think this is a good place to go short anymore, though. We got, but it is first entry pullback, second entry under the EMA. Ugh.
Order filled. Order submitted.
And take it, I guess. It's the rules. But yeah, see? Maybe we're gonna get rejected and slapped. Now we're gonna fake out with this high. Guess we got 2 pushes to the new high instead of 1. Still looking for this downtrend. Ooh. Yeah, under the shit. Here's my guys. Yeah, I be going dumber. Treat you like a runner.
Order filled.
Don't like how we coming back up here.
So, Terrence, do you stream every day or just one day a week or what?
Well, every day I can right now, just to do it.
Right, that's cool.
Yeah. I really want to do it just to keep record of what I'm doing, and I think it just helps. I think it really does help just to keep yourself on track, because I kind of have to, I watch it after, you know? So it's like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm not doing this stuff, not going to do silly stuff all the time, just sit there and watch myself. So you're going to break some habits.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, man. Look at this, though. They're definitely bringing this lower now. A little late. Dumber, beat you like a runner. Just wait. I'm looking for the big pushes. Okay. Yeah. There it is. Okay. Still in the cloud. Pushing back into the cloud now, right?
I'm still below the clouds. on both sides.
There it goes. I see a bit of a range here, but now it's breaking back into the range.
Order filled.
I guess I'll try, but if it breaks back in, it should go back all the way down to the bottom. That's just what I'm thinking, at least. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on.
You want a short?
Yeah. I want to see if this fake breakout leads to it breaking out of the range completely.
It has to break the 301.
301, okay. I'm ready to trace my stop though if it doesn't break this. Okay, here goes the system by itself.
Okay. Are you using the setup which we created yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's good.
Alright, so I just sit here. We just watch. Let's go. 25 points. Holy shit. Drop. Drop. Keep dropping. Holy shit, man. Let's go. That's 37 points.
Man, that's great.
Holy shit, it's frozen.
Order filled.
We're out. That was some good stuff, man. Okay, we're back up to 405.
Nice.
But it freezes, huh? It doesn't matter if it freezes as long as it works.
Well, it doesn't freeze, but it is depending on if the value is moving or not.
Mm-hmm.
So it isn't. It has to move for a certain amount of ticks to put the stop lower again. So it's tracing down the stop.
Okay. Yeah. That what you guys just saw there is a new little AI. New little robot that's gonna do our job. So we can just, man, that was helpful. I think there was a couple times I might have gotten out. Just to watch it. Okay. 405. Let's see if we wait for one more really good trade here for the day. I kind of like the range trading, I tell you now.
Yeah.
Because as long as I see the range developing, I'm like, okay, everybody's going to try to go long. If they don't see the range, they go long, they trap them. Boom. Okay, let's stay focused. Good idea again, just got in a little too early last time. I was looking for that break. See a tweezer bottom here, but they're breaking below it again. Anything in the cloud?
I think what did you say? 233?
Uh-huh.
So, that could be a target.
Yeah, I just see the 500 volume chart pushing up though.
Mm-hmm.
In the green. What is the 1 hour looking like?
Back at 301.
Holy shoot. The 1 hour is just dropping, man. Now it's pushing up. This must be the start of it. Yeah, this is the new 1 hour candle. I think I have a target here on my 1 hour at 255. So basically kind of what you're saying.
Yeah.
So let's see if we could wait for it to break below 299.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the bottom of the last bar.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. This is crazy stuff. This is the target we're looking for here. See if we could get in.
Okay, that's a quick one.
Oh yeah, everybody was trying to go short, must be. See if we break out or we stop at 351, or you think we go back to the top at 244? Back in the range. My little brother's watching. Let's go, little bro.
So in the 5 minutes we are still below
The cloud.
The minute we are back in the red of the cloud.
Okay.
So
So we have new high. First entry pullback. Second entry. It's at the top of the range again, but I don't trust that one. I think they will explode this one. Let's go. Oh boy, let's go. I don't know about that one. This is looking like a good, but they come back in. This is looking like a good fake right here. Damn. Take this and write it back to here. Just don't. Because alright, so for me, we had a channel here, break, new low, and we had this channel here, break, 2 legs up, new low. Now we should go uptrend. Oh yeah, I should have just took that opposite right there.
I can't connect to my rhythmic for some reason.
okay.
My Ninja 8 platform won't connect to my... I gotta make sure I have my password right and everything. Try that again. Still nothing. Alright.
Delta's rising. Pushing back up. The 200.
So in the 1 minute we have one candle which is sticking out of the red.
Hmm.
So on the top side.
Okay.
But we have Fibonacci level at 362, which could be the resistance.
Alright, what time was that? This was about 10 o'clock. Wait till about 10:30. Maybe when price gets to about right here.
Gotta go back to paper trading.
Okay.
I'm up $3,000 for today.
1,
Nice.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, are we on the 8th bar, guys? Or am I mistaken? First entry pullback, second entry.
The 8th, I think we should be way past the 8th bar right now.
Yeah?
So 11 and 12. 12 bar at 11 and 12. So this is a 6 bar, right?
Order filled. Order submitted.
So at 10 o'clock, no, yeah, 6, yeah, the 6 bar. So this is the forming the 8 bar.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, still ranging.
Wanted to see if they would just go up there.
So we're down minus 233 points.
Thought we would go make a new high here. I was looking for this. Another failed break out of the range. Same trade again. Maybe let's extend this now. There we go. Wanted to go along, but not looking like we want to push out of here.
Yeah, I'm not looking long right now.
Yeah, not anymore. They gotta show me something. But I saw first entry short, pullback, second entry short above the EMA.
I have a short limit at 340. So I'm above price action waiting for a short.
Okay. Lower high again. That's what I was. So they keep faking it out, but I'm thinking same thing. Like we're looking for the high of this channel right here.
So are we going lower or higher? What do you expect?
I was expecting us to go back higher now and go take out 354, but just keep getting slapped. And it's a slow breakout. Looks like it's in a nice little downtrend. Not where it's support though, so just wait and see. Okay. Now we have new high. Is this a really. First entry? Yeah, see, there we go. I just knew they had to make this new high. Timing though is terrible. Getting better. Got Delta rising a little bit. Man, this range is confusing. We just wait till it breaks out. 5 minute looks like it wants to go test the EMA. And there it goes. Do you guys see an inverse head and shoulders?
Yeah. And the 336 is the, let me see, the 360 is the Fibonacci level.
The green can't get out of the cloud. Okay.
had my first losing trade.
You were in the shop.
It was a long,
Okay.
and it. I let my stop loss. I didn't take it as deep as I normally did because I didn't have faith in it. I
Okay.
probably could have just now gotten out, but I chose to take the stop loss on that trade.
First entry pullback. Second entry. Man, this range is just filthy. I'm going for the new low of this. Yeah, let's wait and see. So 2 trades so far. Well, 3. No, 3 actually. We need one more, try to get to 250 or 500, then we call it. There goes a fake second entry short. Another lower high. Maybe just in the middle of the bars.
Michael Rose. WhatsApp audio.
Hello? Lower high. What are we looking for? Second entry long. Yeah, here we go. Caught all those people going short and long at the same time. This range is not doing nobody justice.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on. Alright, took that short there.
Yeah, me too.
Order filled.
Ooh, good thing stop was in the green. Nasty wick out. Alright, we're back to 185. We're trying to get to 200 here. 250, I should say. Wow. This is crazy. So we have new high, first entry pullback, second entry under the EMA. Still out the cloud, right, Rod?
It's below the cloud.
Yeah, let's see. So new high, we got first entry, pullback, second entry. Let's just watch what happens. Let's just watch what happens. Look at that. Look at that.
Yes.
You went long?
No, I took a short at the top.
Oh. At the top of that big bullish bar. Oh my days.
I took a top took a short at the top, and it came back down just enough to get me out.
There you go.
Now it's fighting. Yeah, that shot up pretty quick, so it got scary there for a second, but my limit purchase was there at the top of the bar.
Okay, good.
Now it's coming down.
Trailing baseline is not going anywhere. So I will try the flat baseline. See if that's more lucky.
Is there a race going on right now? I hear announcing.
No, it's just like Formula Sky channel. It's 24/7 going on.
Oh, is it like a replay of an old race?
Yeah, a whole season or whatever they want to do. So yeah. Friday there will be trainings.
Okay.
Man, Dave, it looks like a good short you took actually. Look at that.
Yeah, it's still ranging right here where I took it. I'm looking to do it again actually.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you can do it. It's just a nice range here.
Yeah.
So are we waiting for news or something? At 10:30, yeah. There's some news.
There is?
I think the oil. Let me see. There was something going on. Something with oil.
I'm doing my. Yo, look at this, Dave. What a short, Dave.
Yeah, that would have been awesome.
The lower high right there, man. They caught him. I gotta see a breakout and a retest of this range for me to even think about going short right now. But they're doing it. 5-minute charts doing it. Can I get a little retest? No retest at all? Oh, that's a clean breakout. If no retest. They're below the other bar on the left. Oh yeah, they're gone.
I just took a short right there and got it.
Good stuff.
Yeah. New low.
Yeah, I want to see a little retest wick out action.
Well, this new baseline is completely different, eh?
I haven't looked at it.
Yeah, it's dropping 3 buys with different sell stops here. So
Order submitted.
it's like a distribution. No, it's something new.
Yeah. How long does this Apex sale go for?
Till, what day is it? Tomorrow.
Till tomorrow, okay. Good. You know, it's only $36. It's like you could totally gamble your account and like all or nothing today, because you could buy another one for $36.
Right.
So
It's also the subscription. Subscription is 50%, huh?
Yeah, after.
Oh, that's good.
I gotta leave.
Totally, I'm minus 33,000.
What?
No big deal, he said.
I can't get the thing to run. It's a complete mess with the wick trader. I use the trending baseline and it doesn't perform at all in this market. So I switched to the flat baseline, see how this goes.
Yeah. Well, 33,000 is not too big of a hole to get out of.
Order canceled.
So anyone in a short?
I want to take a short, but
Not yet.
I just keep seeing them just hold it up, hold it up. And the 500 volume not really dropping, more so getting support. So
Yeah, you see that every time they make a new low, but it's not much. It's only a few points, 6 to 7 points where the new low is created.
yeah,
So it's not dropping a lot. It's just minor.
wonder if I
I don't
know.
like these markets.
Maybe the range is that big.
Here
Look
it
at
comes
that.
up.
Let's not move it just yet.
All right, guys, it's been fun. I'm up 4,500 in paper trading.
Very good.
Way to go, man. Get back into it.
Yep. So we'll figure a rhythmic out here soon, and then I'll do that in rhythmic.
You got
Okay,
this.
that's a promise.
Yeah, it's a promise. Okay, guys, it's been fun. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, man.
Okay,
See you.
Bye-bye.
I think it wants to drop more, but I can't see where I could get in.
Okay, Manchester 1. No, England. Okay.
He did what?
No, I was just looking at the race, but there was a private from last 3 years ago. Lewis Hamilton was winning, of course.
He's going to drop. We must get a retest. That range was heavy.
So we are down minus 300 points.
What bar are we on now?
I think the 2-0 something would be okay.
Okay, what bar are we on? We're on 930. 1, 2.
So yeah, so the level is 226. Probably that will be the level. So I'm going to buy 10 contracts at 226. That's what I'm going to do.
And look for the retracement. You're so scared. So I tell y'all we need some music, man.
Okay, 226, 10 contracts. That will be okay. Well, let's make it 20.
This guy.
20 contracts at 226.
Okay.
And see what happens. And I'm going to pause this because that doesn't make sense.
Man, every time it looks like they want to go lower, they just these little green BS bars. Do we take a chance and wait for it to come here? I just really thought we would get a retest up here. Come on, pull back to the 21 EMA. Show me some work. Show me some work. Neither need $100 trade, call it for the day. We've used up all our trades. Or we get a nice solid one, bring us over 2K. Oh, we just bowling. Come on, we're waiting for this area here. This was pretty much the 10:30 move. See what I mean? The timestamps are amazing right now. 11:30, there's supposed to be another move. And let's wait for maybe 11. First entry pullback, second entry. High low. Man.
The Department of Education is proposing regulations that will make it harder for charter schools to open, operate, and grow. Education Secretary Cardona, back off. When it comes to public education, families deserve more choices, not less.
Heart's Ultra Guard Pro Max Flea and Tick Collar. A soft, comfy fit collar with a secure buckle.
See what else we got going on
Comfort they can enjoy.
around the
Protection
markets.
trust.
So I'm always watching other people's live stream. Always. Always.
The green going on. That means you're
Gotta
gonna
keep
get the
learning.
traction
There's so
up.
much more stuff out
You're
here,
gonna be,
man.
keep going, try to get the reversal conditions, or
the first couple bars here, you may pull back, okay? And if you keep going up, then we'll see if we pull back and then we get some kind of higher low, or the risk is that you undercut the low and get the diversions. That's why it's important to manage risk. If you don't manage risk, you might as well take your money and go to Vegas, because that's what you're doing. You're gambling, okay? You got to manage risk, use stops. You got to decide how much you're willing to risk on each and every trade.
See if this move is done.
I can't stress the importance of managing risk. People that don't manage risk end up getting wiped out, because again, well, we can make educated decisions based on mathematically based indicators.
Move right there.
You know, again, and price being at extremes either to the upside or to the downside. Look, again, the market can always go a whole lot lower than you think. You know, I tell you what I think, but I also tell you, hey, could be wrong. Undercut the low, we may have a bear market. I think we go to new highs later. I could be wrong. And again, being flexible, open-minded, allows me to manage the risk better, because again, resistance, then you got a good reference point for stops, because that would be a good place for trailing stops, is below the 10 period moving average, below the lower boundary of the cloud here. If we start getting a bullish reversal condition, below the green dots of support when they start showing up, and the 10 period moving average, and all the rest of it. So again, real important stuff to manage risk, and a lot of people that don't do it end up getting wrecked. You might want to really start getting some good habits, some good discipline in managing risk. So let's look at the inverse head and shoulder patterns that are setting up. We have two of them, one in the 5-minute time frame and a larger one in the 60-minute time frame. But again, keep in mind, I think that you got a good shot at the bottom here. I'm playing the 13 count. I'm speculating that that low is going to hold with these potential inverse head and shoulder patterns. Here it is on the S&P. Here it is on the Nasdaq 100. And again, the 13 count back up at the lower high, gave you the big drop. So it's possible this 13 count gives you a bottom. Same thing here on the Nasdaq 100. Again, we're going to be looking at Fibonacci's. I haven't brought it up here yet. I will. But again, you've got your 50 and 200 up here. You've got the declining trend line. So all of this comes into play if you start, getting this big monster rally back up, which is likely going to be a short squeeze. Got a lot of people short. The people that have been long all the way down, they're just now starting to turn bearish. Now, going short and closing long positions at the lows. Usually happens. They've been blindsided by this whole thing, and so now, again, we could see a short squeeze. We could start seeing prices rise if the market runs out of sellers, because everybody is now bearish. So again, now that we've seen the Nasdaq lose nearly 1/3 of its value, things are on sale, and again, we're likely going to see some bottom fishing. One thing I want to keep telling you, again, we're in the heart of earnings season here with the retailers right now. Here we had the tech is pretty much out of the way now. Okay, you're wrapping things up, and by the end of the month here and going on into June, you're going to be getting these massive buybacks. Okay, 4 or 5 billion a day of corporate buybacks, and that's going to really, probably put a floor on the market. Okay, but I'm just telling you, I don't know how the consolidation works here. It could unfold a couple different ways, but I'm just telling you. Again, I think eventually we come up to the trend line, up towards the 200, up towards the 50, the upper boundary of the momentum cloud. Again, we're clearing that horizontal resistance level, overthrowing it just a little bit there, moving towards the gap fill area. So again, we'll be watching to see what becomes of that. The gap fill area up here is at higher levels. You got your cloud right there. Cloud is trying to turn red into the green into the future here on the 60-minute chart of the S&P. But again, you can see what I'm looking at. If we get rejection out the cloud here, you still have the possibility of the inverse head and shoulders right here. Okay, you're overthrowing the level a little bit, but you still get that possibility, and then coming back up and filling the gap here, getting a right shoulder.
Yeah.
Try to fill the gap. If we don't fill the gap and you start clearing the cloud, that's going to be really bullish. You're going to have a bullish reversal of conditions in the 60-minute time frame, and then You got the possibility of the larger inverse line right now, 1,500 range.
This guy's trying to call the bottom without calling the bottom at the same
Honestly,
time.
this is when like candle structure is actually kind of playing out, is when the market kind of slows down a little bit like this, which is fun.
Shots on my boy Maddie. He.
How long does it take to do step 2 on your combine, Matt? I have a minimum. So we talked about at the beginning of stream. Maybe rewind it to the very beginning. First like 5 minutes of the stream. However, I can't do it faster than 3 days. But you know, based on today, it's going to be minimum of 4 days. Realistically, I think it's going to take me a few weeks. Realistically. I'm expecting it to take a few weeks. And if it takes like a month, so be it. I have to make $9,000. Scarlett just had her first scream to the end of work.
First entry, fullback, second entry.
Alright, we got a little wick test here. Down here, low test. I don't hate it. One. I have a quick fill. Watching this wick test here on the Nasdaq. This would have been the perfect entry. Was the actual wick test. I was a little bit aggressive, I guess, on it. But you like to see the wick test play out. 85. It's good for 10 points. Not bad.
Mm-mm-mm. 1 minute is looking crazy rangy. We got new low. Like second entry failed. New. We got new low here.
Volume at 97 so far.
First entry pullback. Second entry.
Well. Yeah, it's kind of pushed back into value very low. We might be pushing this wick test again. If we push the wick test again,
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see what we do.
And I'm out. Brings us to a massive $84 on the day. I might just call it there, guys. I don't like this price action. No. It's a lot of trades for me also. 7 trades for $80 is kind of tight. Like kind of a lot. So
one tick above the signal bar.
Kind of hard today, to be honest.
That's one tick.
I'm happy with the way I traded it, all things considered.
Yeah.
I feel like days like this, I would normally get potentially and I kept that from happening. All of my trades had defined risk, which some of y'all probably really like. So you guys always tell me. I need that. We're actually bouncing there a little bit.
Order filled.
So, I don't know, I feel like I traded.
That's the last one for the day, fellas. Guys and gals. What they got us for? 215. So minus 215 for the day so far. Just not breaking out. Just ranging. Just not doing what price action is supposed to do. We got uptrend right here. We got break, new high. We got first push higher. Second push. Pushes here. 3 push here. And they just won't drop it. They keep trying to bring it up here. Looking for them to go lower.
But I'm happy with it. I hope you have a great rest of the day, guys.
So
I will see you tomorrow afternoon with a crypto stream.
maybe we take the opposite, but we see what's going on here first.
Either 1 or 2 o'clock, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, etc. And then Friday morning, if you're a futures only sort of person, Friday morning will be the next stream. For some Friday vibes.
Oh,
So I hope you have a great rest of the day.
look
I'll
at
see
it
you
now.
Friday or tomorrow. Peace.
Oh, my boy Maddie's done. I really just don't. I don't feel like we're taking bad trades because look, went here, went a little lower, but the range is heavy right now, and we really don't want to get chopped up. Really don't want to get chop sueys. Now let's look at it.
Order filled.
We'll try it once more. See what happens. It's our rules. The rules fuck us. That's all right. We do what we do what the rules say. That's the second entry short now under the EMA. Supposed to take this. Pay up these EVs to the sun up. Whatever happens, happens, fellas. This shit right here. Can't do no more. Can't do no more, fellas. I already pushed my luck today enough through this range BS. I only got about, what, $100 left. I'm trying to, $300 left to draw down for the day. So, we take it easy.
Order filled.
And that's it. See, they just keep faking it down, faking it up. Yeah, it's only, like I said, for the day. We're up, we're down, what, 4 or 5 something? Yeah, 480. So we come back again at them tomorrow. Let's go. Range action pretty nasty right now. So be safe if you guys still trading. We out at it tomorrow, baby. Still gotta figure out the music thing, cause come on, bruh. Man, them just sitting here bowling. Alright, we be back, fellas. Tomorrow. Let's go.